Hello, I'm Laura Washington, CEO of the Council for Professional Recognition. And if you are part of an organization that does CDA training, this message is for you. Are you ready to take your CDA training to the next level of competence? If so, I'd like to invite you to apply for the CDA Gold Standard. The CDA Gold Standard for training organizations is a distinction that says that your organization is providing high quality programming for early childhood educators. When you earn the Gold Standard, it means that you are meeting 3 principles. 1, that you have strong business practices. 2, that you're providing high quality student services. And 3, that what you're doing really is aligned with the time-proven CDA competencies that are so successful in the early childhood education field. So we really want to invite you to apply for the CDA Gold Standard. At the end of this message, there's a link where you can get more information. And most of all, we really thank you so much for being part of the early childhood education community and helping to advance our profession.